Hey, what's up guys? It's Ben with Fathouse Performance, and we're here today with a new product. We have our TrackPack GT500 wing risers. Here we have a factory height wing, which is about 6 inches off the trunk deck lid. Ours is about 8 inches off the deck lid. This is something that's going to give your car a little bit more aggressive look without getting too ricey. One of the things that I like about it personally is that unless you put these two cars side by side, you don't notice that it's aftermarket piece. It looks like it could have came that way. It just gives the car a more aggressive look. These pieces are fully billet machined out of 6061 aluminum, and then we powder coat them black for that factory finished look. They also come with all the hardware that you need to install them, 3M double-sided tape on the bottom so it doesn't actually rub against your paint, and everything mounts through the factory holes. You don't have to, no drilling required. Just take off your factory wing and risers, and you're going to bolt these on in place of that, and you're good to go. All right guys, thanks for watching. These are available on our website at fathouseperformance.com. This first run is in limited quantity, so make sure to jump on there and get yours today. And also keep an eye out for more product drops coming soon.